Good day, ma'am, Chris. I am Avila together with my group member, Cayetano Ryan Cesar, Padilla John Christopher, and Sacyaten Ana Cecilia, to report about our chosen topic, linked list.
So let's start off by finding out what linked list actually is. A linked list is a linear data structure in which the elements are not stored at contiguous memory locations. A linked list consists of nodes where each node contains data, a data field, and a reference to the next node in the list. Each element in the linked list is known as a node. It consists of three fields. The first one we have is the previous, which stores an address of the previous element in the list. It is now for the first element. The next, where it stores an address of the next element in the list. It is now for the last element. The data, which stores the actual data of the element.
Here are the advantages of linked list. The first one is dynamic data structure. A linked list is a dynamic arrangement so it can grow and shrink at runtime by allocating and deallocating memory. So there is no need to give the initial size of the linked list. The second one is no memory wastage. In the linked list, efficient memory utilization can be achieved since the size of the linked list increase or decrease at runtime. So there is no memory wastage and there is no need to pre-allocate the memory. The third one is insertion and deletion operations. Insertion and deletion operations are quite easier in the linked list. There is no need to shift elements after the insertion or deletion of an element, only the address present in the next pointer needs to be updated. The last one is implementation. Linear data structures like stack and queues are often easily implemented using a linked list.
Here in the disadvantages of the linked list is the first one is the memory usage. So more memory is required in the linked list as compared to an array. Because in a linked list, a pointer is also required to store the address of the next element, and it requires extra memory for itself. The second one is the traversal. In a linked list, traversal is more time consuming as compared to an array. Direct access to an element is not possible in a linked list, as in an array by index. For example, for accessing a node at position n, one has to one has to traverse all the nodes before it. So the third one is the reverse traversing. In a linked list, reverse traversing is not possible. But in the case of a doubly linked list, it can be possible as it contains a pointer to the previously connected nodes with each node. For performing this extra memory is required for the back pointer, hence there is a wastage of memory. The last one is the random access. Random access is not possible in a linked list due to its dynamic memory allocation.
So we have here a sample program in the linked list. Name animals. We declare a node and pointers linked list string animals equals new linked list. After that, we add a element to the linked list, the dog, cat, and cow. After that, the final output is the dog, cat, and cow based on the sequence we added. So we have here a sample flow program, how it works. So the first sequence is the dog. It's the first elements that hold null as a previous address and the address of cat as the next address. The second sequence is cat. It is the second element that holds an address of a dog as the previous address and the address of cow as the next address. The third sequence is the cow. It is the last elements that hold the address of cat as the previous address and the null as the next element. Um, so next program po. For the add elements to the linked list, we have a general return statement with the index parameter. Add animals that add, open and close parentheses, tree, then yung horse po, then linked list, dog, cat, and cow. Then the updated linked list output is the dog, cat, cow, and horse. We have we have used to index parameter. It is a optional parameter that specify the position where the new element is added. So kung mapapansin nyo po, we declare a tree for the horse, then the dog is 0, the cat is first, and the second is cow, and the third is horse. So that's linked list work po. Thank you po.
That's all, ma'am. Thank you.